Hi everyone. I wanted to discuss the Respondus LockDown Browser tool and just kind of give you a quick heads up on this. Now, to take tests, you'll need to use the Respondus tool, and I'll have a link in Canvas for you. But this can be downloaded through the Bergen remote proctoring page. Um, so basically, they have a video on this and all, but you'll need to download the separate web browser with which to take the test. So I'm going to do that here. Now, even if you've done this for another institution or something, you'll want to do the Bergen one because that's going to be designed to connect right to our Canvas system. So I'm installing it right now here. I'm going to go with English. Feel free to read all the terms and conditions. But once I've installed this, it throws a little icon on my desktop. And if you were to search, obviously Windows, but you can see Lockdown Browser. But when you do this, it's going to allow you to log in. And once you do this, and again, remember, just not Chrome, not Firefox, not Safari. When you go in there, you should be able to log in. We should have a sample test here that you can go in and launch. Since in as a professor, I don't have the ability really to launch it. Even if I go in and there is a view as student, but it doesn't work. I've tested it. But this would be the way for you to do this. You would do your test through this browser. So again, if I were to go in as a student, try it in Firefox or Chrome or Edge or Safari or whatever browser, Opera, you're trying to do, it won't work. You have to use this to access the test. And as part of that, it will ask, to also live record your session there. So, but that's basically it for the lockdown browser. I just want to make sure because sometimes I get the panicked message of, oh, it's not working for me. Just make sure that you are using the lockdown browser. All right. Good luck.